Thursday, Peter Metro, Mr. Metro. A rubber dub Thursday. Stand your high. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them. Stand your high. This is the original foreign mind. Left them must be blind. Whoa, high. They must be blind, blind. Hear me now. Come and say worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them. Left them must be blind. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them. See, foreign is a place where people comes and go. When some people go to foreign, what they do? Then forget all about the bridge. Back a yard we sleep in support. Right now he's down there sleeping on floor. Can't you see? Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them. Left them on sit like worry them, I worry them, I worry them. Surround about me ambition, we scatter down a plan and who play that tune William and the who call David Radigan. Singing more high and hitting more high. Next show, next show. They might use them brains, oh gosh, they might use them brains. Babylon, they might use them brains. Oh, it's a shame I'm a feeling pain. Oh, it's a shame I'm a feeling pain. My brothers and my sisters going down the train. My brothers and my sisters going down the train. Say Babylon release the chains, but they might use them. I want to know, say Babylon release the chains, but they might use them brains. Yeah. They take us to Africa. They brought us in Jamaica. They brought us in chains. They even stole our name. They let us work the sugar cane. Jah know our sweat won't go in vain. Time when we lose and time we refuse. Time when we gain and time when we strain. So you please call upon your name. And don't play the games unfair, because the Babylon released the chains, but they might use them. I want to know how Babylon released the chains, but they might use them brains. No chains on our feet, but still we are not free. No, no, yeah. See, all they using us is strategy. Them release the chains, but they might use them brains. I want to know how Babylon release the chains, but they might use them brains. Next track.
Who goes? Stadium home.
Them say a Christmas. I know say politician are the new Santa fraud. And them bring guns, come get you in the ghetto. I wanna make no gun around here. Who goes? Stand your heart high. See, you only got a few days more to get the guns you want out of the gun store. On the first day of Christmas, guess what Santa bring for me? A clock, a magnum and a rusty M3. Rap-a-pam-pam, you don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. Rap-a-pam, wait, take with that.
Who goes? Stadium home.
You only got a few days more to get the guns you want out of the gun store. On the first day of Christmas, guess what Santa bring for me? A clock, a magnum and a rusty M3. Rap-a-pam-pam, you don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. 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 Say what is the meaning of rap-a-pam-pam? Me go tell you the meaning of rap-a-pam. Pam-pam. Rap-a-pam-pam. And you get dropped through the rap-a-pam-pam. Say one gun a prison through the rap-a-pam-pam. One a rubber life sentence through the rap-a-pam-pam. When Santa come to dance with long gun in a him hand. Tell me Santa friend where you are teaching youth man. Just give him a guitar and a mic in a him hand. Make him go nice upstage show and make dance jam. And go in at this world as a big musician. And chant all over the globe and chant rastas. Me don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. Me don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. Out of that, out of that. I was alone with no hope of salvation. I held out my hands and the rain fell. And as the water held me close, I remember you. Only your race is run. Ooh, think it's over, but it's only begun. Child is born who has to face this world you're living. It's a dangerous place. Listen to the voices crying to be free. Can we be the promise that we promised to be? I was alone with no hope of salvation. I held out my hands and the rain fell. And as the water held me close, I remember you. Old man, your race is run. Ooh, think it's over, but it's only begun. Child is born who has to face this world you're living. It's a dangerous place. Listen to the voices crying to be free. Can we be the promise that we promised to be? Love and understanding are better than a war. People just laughing cause they've heard it before. Helpless will never be. No, true justice is so hard to see. Kindness is that same old song. Don't stop singing. So much strength in kindness. So much strength in kindness. Oh, listen to the voices, listen to the voice crying to be free. Can we be the promise? Can we be the promise that love and understanding are better than a war? People just laughing cause they've heard it before. Big up Natalie Fresh. Big up Lucas John. Big up the great Johnny Osborne at place. Big up Peter Mitchell for making this possible. Big up all of the people in that place. Junior, we love you. You hear that? I will love to see when them things are going. Yeah, cause them things I will stand for. Yeah, out of that, Oliver. You know you're a real man. Big up Frost, J-Bar. Love our way we want. Whoa. True love our way we want. Don't want no ice cream, love, it's too cold for me, girl. Don't want no ice cream, love, girl, can't you see, girl? Because my love is warmer than a chocolate fudge. Take up my style, take my style out. You see that song, yeah? Hold it. That song, Junior Reid have to sing over that song, yeah. And we say Johnny Osborne sing The Girl Is Mine. Michael Jackson say rewind. See? So big up Johnny Osborne. Run it again. See? True love our way we want, girl. Real love our way we want, yeah. I don't want no ice cream, love, it's too cold for me, girl. I don't want no ice cream, love, girl, can't you see, girl? Because my love is warmer than a chocolate fudge. I say my love, it's warmer than a chocolate fudge. I want a love that's warmer than the summer sunshine, yeah. I want a love that is warm and pure as mine. Why I say, because my love is warmer than the chocolate fudge. Yes, we have this tiny girl them love so. My love is warmer than the chocolate fudge. What a blood, you want a blood now? No one, no ice cream, love one love me can't forget. And love me not that. And he says, so this up and said. And you went not squilly, and not squilly, no, he said. And then the host of daughter, Like a house of just a leak, and so me make she wet. Sell over strong like concrete, mixed with instead. So, yo, water blood anyway, then big up yourself. Give me the love you can't forget, because I don't want no ice cream love, it's too cold for me. Girl. Oh girl, don't want no ice cream love, girl, can't you see, girl? Because my love is warmer than a outer. Yeah. One of you them know say Christmas time now. I see them time at them time that the feds them strike. And watch the hustler them. So if you not hustle, no one I do. Keep an eyes open because a lot of feds and undercover. Run the thing. Med City. Oh yeah. Blue light, red light. Missy fades and undercover. Fades and undercover. Oh yeah. You got to know when you're in danger. You can't trust no stranger. No. These streets is on the fire. Yeah. No, watch no face. Say I don't mix with informer, no spy. Yeah. Ain't gonna let dictate my joy and happiness and lock out your way in darkness. No, because man to man is so unjust. Just don't know who to trust. Careful from who you buy, you don't know who is a spy. Sometimes the same man you let in your place. Take the stance against you, a witness on your case. Was an undercover cop, son, and you don't know. Until that day when the ID show. Blue light, red light. Yeah, but hold out of that. You touch one more and leave on you know. One more may I go. Holy Emmanuel I King Selassie. Yeah. Rastafari. King Manuel saying a free water wave. 713 miles a ship. So Pharaoh, free Manuel children now. Out of Egypt, Jamaica. Out of Dutton. Yo, what was that? Mashing up the earth. Get to you say one of these try. Politician them a stand the fraud. If the youth them guns the ties. Do you ever make a circle? Daniel read my art jungle before. Not to mention Portmore. A 7 youth man sculling more. Pray for the love on the people, you hear me? One blood, big up Robert up Thursday. Jonah, big up Peter Mitchell. Yeah. Pull up, Peter, pull up. Father, before you move, may I beg you do that song, yeah? Please, may I ask you, do that song for the girls, them. Which one? Yeah, big up Oliver. And don't forget, say so tomorrow night, at Junior Reid Entertainment Center, right on the Foon Entertainment Center, Black Owned Entertainment Center. Say, we as get a youth, a phone thing. So what say? Why? Tell her that it's Junior nature. Will, Oliver. Oh, God, Oliver, we are though. And some know I'm a real DJ, you know. It's human nature. It's Junior nature. It's Junior nature. So why? Tell her that it's Junior nature. Why? Can you do it like me? Why? Tell her that it's Rasta culture. Why? Can they do it like me? You feel so lonely through the night without someone to hold you tight. She asked me why? Tell her that it's Junior Nate. Love on the people, rub it up Thursday. But Peter me just say one fit you say. Fit you want for fit together. It you want for fit to wait till shot you got to smart. Here sir. Modern vampires of the city. Rima, you come from jungle. Would I come from firehouse, you come from the white. One. Love you know. A Peter Metro thing saying, Peter Metro could not keep something on Junior in there. You mad? Them man a star before me, and them man a inspire me. When me a come a dance and them man a give me mic and say, yo, Junior Reid, you're a bad artist. I like me and tell them, yo, I love them youth here. Hear that?
Same side go people when them a little, yo.
I just politics play, man. That's why you see the music politics. Them go and let them not respect the foundation. You understand me? The man will set it. But it's the way we have to respect the man who will set it before we. And you see the youth them will come after we, them for set it, them for show respect to the man who will set it before them. Because you know, I not lose my respect for you like you know. You hear me? Mad thing. Peter Metro.